Hi, I'm Ed Davis, the president here at Ceilume, and I want to take just a minute to introduce you to Soniguard, our cough, itch, and irritation-free drop ceiling insulation. Soniguard is made from fiberglass-free polyester and will dramatically increase the acoustical properties of your Ceilume ceiling and the thermal properties of any drop ceiling. Class A fire rated, Green Guard Gold certified for indoor air quality and made right here in the USA. Soniguard is the cleanest insulation you will ever use, and it's already perfectly pre-cut to rest above your drop ceiling panels. Have you ever handled insulation? Soniguard will banish those bad memories. There's no itching and no scratching. Nothing but the feel of the best drop ceiling insulation ever. Not only that, Soniguard's 6.0 R value will help any room feel warmer in the winter and cooler in the summer. And that feels good all year long. If you have any questions or you'd like to see a free sample, please do not hesitate to give us a call. And remember, you belong under Ceilume.